In the series of achieving sustainable development goals and going to moon, Mars, and beyond, we were thinking about how to achieve zero accident with safety first approach. Now, the next language is Uriya, Odia language. सुरक्षा प्रथमे शून्य accidents, that is shunya durghatna. Accident means durghatna. Now the next language. In Serbian language, it is known as Bezbenosna Prevom Mestu. Ye nula nezgoda means safety first is zero accidents. Simple. In Krakow, one of our UNESCO paper was published. So this was the first sentence. Safety first to zero vipadko. Yeah, they liked it very much because I was talking about mobility of engineers in the interstellar era. And then how the supply chain can be managed, the forward and the backward, so that all the technologies, the whole world come at one stage where you know fantastic norms are there, everybody is working for a cause to keep the human civilization alive on this place, on moon and Mars and beyond. Okay. In Irish languages, I mean sorry, language, it is an in safety first Angus Nialis Tempesti. Okay, safety first means zero accident. As Mother Teresa was from Albania, then she lived in Yugoslavia, then she came to India and started so many good things. So once in a while she used to speak some words from Albanian. So in Albanian, what is safety first equals to zero accidents? It is Chiguria Paraste, ye barabarte me zero accidente. Okay, so we are indebted to people like Mother Teresa. Because of Sant Tukarams, Mother Teresa, Santa Ramdas, then so many great people, humanity is still living. As I lived in Arunachal Pradesh, Assam for working purpose, so I came to understand that Assamese and Bengali are sister languages. Even there are similarities in the Oriya languages as well. Only the thing, the scripts are different, but there are many words which are similar. Okay, so in Assamese, Shonya is zero. Okay, so Chafti first, Shonya Durghatna Shaman. That is how we call it. Some of the Russian machinery, the machinists in fact, and they were used to take care of those machines which were there in the manufacturing industry. They used to come from Bulgaria, and they had their own language as well. It is similar to Russian, and we used to understand Russian since 10th grader. So it was similar. So he started speaking. Then uh, my my boss called me. Do you understand Russian? I said yes. Since 10th grader, I understand. So he called me there, and he started speaking something. Then I started translating in English, and he said yes, 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 yes. A couple of words I definitely didn't understand. Then what is safety first and zero accidents in Bulgarian? So they translate it like that, safety first equals to zero accidents, for example. And it comes out to be Bejupasnot na parvo miasto a ravno nanal proishestvia. So that's how they translate it. Okay. Some people came from Catalan, so language, they were speaking Catalan language. So they used to say that safety first is equal a zero accidents. Catalan. When somebody told me that, You know, Jules Verne's that story to the center of the earth, and they come out through the lava duct and explode, and they come out of that, something like that is there. So they came from Iceland, and then yeah, they go through Iceland, and then they land in, Krakatoa, no, that mountain, in Italy, and all those things are there. So then I went on to ask, what do you call safety first in, brings zero accident in Icelandic language. So they used to say safety first, iraflu nurslish. That's how they call it in Iceland. So you see, in every place, safety first is definitely major concern in the wherever you go and work, because that's how humanity works. They take care of each other. That's all. That is the safety first, in fact. So a lot of people are aware that Israel is has become the tech capital. A lot of startups are there, and in tech industry, a lot of people are taking the initiative there. So I asked them, what is the safety first equals to zero accident. They said, maybe I'm not good in pronunciation of Hebrew. Arabic and Urdu are same, so we could speak well. So it is by Kotlipni all not means safety first equals zero accident. Dicot lipni all Shive theonot. Okay, so zero accident. You see, so we promised in 42 languages the translation for the safety first and achieving the zero accidents. And now we went on to create it in 54 languages. Ultimately, it came out to be in 51 languages, because there are 2-3 languages which are similar. So, anyhow, we should try safety first on each level, the individual level, safety of self for each and every activity. If you do the work consciously, as if we are doing the like we are offering the services at the feet of God, then we can take care of ourselves, our family, friends, the society, your own region, city, and then your province, the national level, international level, then Mother Earth level, then the solar system level, then galaxy level, then multiple galaxy levels, and the universe and multiple universe and dimensions and all these places. Definitely, charity begins at home, and if you start, then others will definitely start doing the same, following the same practices. Safety first. Why? Because we have to reach to moon, Mars, and beyond, and so that human civilizations live forever in whichever places they go as a responsible citizen in the infinite galaxies, dimensions, heavenly bodies, or even on Mother Earth. May God bless us all. Thank you very much. If you want to add something, you want to explore more, spread the message, you are welcome. Thank you very much.